All of the other elves were making toys all day. They worked so very fast in Santa's workshop way. When they saw a little friend make a mistake and cry, they sometimes didn't help, they just walked right on by.
It will be okay. You got this.
And if you ever hurt her, she'd help you be okay. All of the elves would say, she's too slow making toys. They didn't understand yet she was helping girls and boys. One chilly morning time, the toys were everywhere. Poor elf named Billy cried, this mess is hard to bear. He spilled his paint and said, my doll looks really bad. I can't do anything, this makes me very sad. Then Elara came right up. She helped him clean the mess. She said, you're doing great, don't worry about this stress. Everyone makes mistakes, let's try the paint once more. I know that you can do it, you'll make toys to adore. Then all the other elves stopped working right away. They saw that being kind was the most important way. Making toys is fun to do, but friends are better still. And from that happy day, they helped with love and will.